Well, here you see the whole panel disassembled, but what I want you to pay attention to is on the other side here. You got these little kind of spring-loaded latches going on here on both sides, 4 in total, and this little thingy here. So basically you can actually just pull the whole thing out from below like that, and you'll be able to jerk it out. As you can see, you can actually not break anything if you pull the whole thing out. I'll show you how it's done in the car in a minute. You can see the kind of odd shaped latch here that actually that will give you some trouble when you're trying to get it out. I'll show you that in a minute.